Hi, this is Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom. I want to teach you how to create an email signature in Outlook. So the first thing you're going to do is go click on File, then go down to Options, and then you're going to go underneath General to Mail, and then the third button down on your right-hand side, you'll see Signatures. Click on Signatures, and then you can click on New, give it a name, and this is where you will type your signature. You can change the color, the font style, and then click OK. And then when you create a new message, you will see your email signature. Thanks. Bye.